Hello, and welcome to Ajayastro Money Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and in-depth analysis on various commodities. Today, we're diving into the current state of Jeera, cumin, prices, which have shown steady movement despite a significant surge in arrivals. Let's take a closer look at the market trends for Jeera. On Saturday the 24th of February 2025, Jeera prices remained stable in Gujarat's spot markets, even as the inflow of fresh arrivals surged. Total arrivals reached approximately 27,000 bags, with key markets like Gondal and Rajkot seeing an uptick in supply. Export prices for Jeera saw a decline of 50 rupees per 20 kilograms due to weak demand at the Gulf Food event. This event has had a notable impact on overseas buying sentiment, which has caused a shift in prices. For instance, Singapore quality Jeera was quoted at 4,050 rupees to 4,150 per 20 kilogram. Looking at the key markets, at Unja Mandi, new crop arrivals were around 6,000 bags, while the old crop arrivals stood at approximately 5,000 bags. The rough quality Jeera remained steady in the range of 3,400 rupees to 3,600 per 20 kilograms, while the best quality dropped 100 rupees, trading at 3,800 rupees to 3,900 per 20 kilogram. The Bombay Bold variety also saw a 100 rupees dip, trading at 3,900 rupees to 4,000 per 20 kilogram. Meanwhile, Machine Clean Jeera fell by 200 rupees, with prices moving down to 4,100 rupees per 20 kilogram. On the export front, Europe 1% quality and Singapore quality Jeera witnessed slight declines, trading at 4,275 rupees to 4,325 and 4,050 rupees to 4,100 per 20 kilograms, respectively. In Rajkot Mandi, arrivals were reported at 2,700 bags, with Europe quality remaining stable at 4,325 rupees to 4,375 per 20 kilograms, while the Mandi variety experienced a small decline of 80 rupees, ranging from 3,400 rupees to 4,100 per 20 kilogram. At Gondal Mandi, a total of 3,500 bags arrived, with prices trading in the 3,950 rupees to 4,300 per 20 kilograms range, gaining 310 rupees. Turning to the Jeera futures market, there was a decline in prices, with the March contract falling 150 rupees to 20,840 rupees, and the April contract dropping 310 rupees to 20,315 rupees. The open interest in the March contract decreased by 21 lots, while the April contract saw an increase of 69 lots. This shift in positions indicates that traders are repositioning their strategies. The weakness in futures can be attributed to long liquidation in the near-month contract, as well as fresh short positions being built for the months ahead. That's all for today's Jeera market update. Stay tuned for more updates and detailed analysis from Ajayastro Money Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest insights on commodities. See you in the next video.